Hey all, this is Dr. Darby. I'm going to run through a brief look at Architect and some of the cool features within Architect that'll help you to really make lasting impact on your clients and also help you to raise your income level. All right, so the way you navigate through Architect is using the navigation column. If your screen looks like this, then you just need to press that hamburger and it'll open up. The first page that we're going to look at is the dashboard. On the dashboard, you have a list of all your current clients and the things that they're working on. You can search the dashboard, so you can search by name. You can also order the dashboard by their first name, last name, emails, things like that. If you want to go deeper and find out more about what's going on with the client, you just need to click on that person's name. So let's take a look at John Doe. And this is John Doe's information in terms of the daily pulse surveys. It's his reflections. It's how he rated himself on a number of different domains regarding his well-being and success. Here are the exercises he's working on. You can always click there and get some more details as to what exactly he's working on. Here's his word cloud. So this is telling you, all right, exactly what's going on in terms of what he's thinking about, what he's feeling in terms of his day-to-day progress. What are the things that are helping him? What are the things that are hurting him? And as you can see, time is a huge one for him. And related to that, you see work and family also being very high. You see frustrated, sick, really close together. So what you're seeing here is somebody who just feels overwhelmed. And we might be able to figure out why he's overwhelmed when we look at the daily reflections a little further. So if we click here, these are all the daily reflections he wrote about. And you know what? We can check out and really examine what he meant. So one of the things that was in there was time. So just search for the word time, and you see Hinder was too little time to work, and needs to get solid work time. We can go further and find out busy, ran out of time. Kids took that time away. I need better work. I work better when I have alone time. So here's somebody that's really having a hard time balancing family and work life. All right, so let's go back. So that was real simple. When you're looking here and you want to know a little bit more, hit that View Daily Reflections. Here's a percent of completed tasks, so you can see, all right, where is this person doing well? Where are they struggling? Depending on the program, that's very useful bit of information. And then here's their day-to-day responses to the pulse survey questions. This one's general well-being. We have trying your best, positive emotions, strong relationships, work success, hope, optimism, meaning and personal growth. And it's really interesting to look at these dips. So this person's generally very optimistic, and then there's something that happened here. Feeling frustrated, like I don't know how to move forward. I need to develop some habits, particularly habits around finding new customers. All right, so I know exactly, okay, this is where his frustration is. His frustration revolves around daily habits. Remember, we saw that it was family and kids his family and work life were at conflict. Well, it looks like it's too flexible of an environment for him where he probably works from home based on this. And he's not able to develop habits because of how kids, any of us who've worked at home know this, how kids are, right? So kids are taking away attention from work. So we've got a good idea of what's going on with John, and this will help us a great deal in terms of coaching him. When I use this tool in my coaching, it's awesome because the clients are often like astounded by how well you know them and how quickly you're able to build a relationship and how quickly you're able to help them. They think you're a wizard. One last thing here. These are the daily exercises they're currently working on. If you want to see their past history of daily exercise, click in here. The ones that are grayed out are the ones that they missed. The ones that are in the brighter colors in the white are the things that they've done. So you can see this. You can see this person starts off, has periods of activity, periods of inactivity. It's again, that's a problem with habits. All right, so that's your dashboard, and then we're going to go into the other things now. So cohorts is where you build your groups. They're very simple to build, and once you have them built, you can examine their information. So when you click on that cohort, it'll give you all you need to know about what's going on with that person or that group of people. Client invitations is where you add your new clients. Here's where you see all your pending clients. Courses is where you build your digital products, your digital courses. Really, really powerful stuff. Especially if you target it towards micro lessons, 90 seconds is really cool video. So I like to build courses 90 seconds each and then go on. Really cool stuff. Build your new course starting here. Habit programs is where you see all your habit programs that you have built. You can create new ones. You can edit existing ones. Settings is where you change information about yourself, how you want your notifications, your raffles. And of course, we have a frequently asked page with questions that we get. And so if you have any questions, my advice would be first check out the frequently asked questions page, then come see us. We are always happy to help. support@habittechnologies.com. Love working with you. So please reach out if you have any questions at all. Happy habit building.